So, how did it all start?
You got a 10? Ooh.
Hey, you remember that time in Fortnite? We were in
Wait.
season 7?
Yeah.
And that airplane was going
Yeah.
and we hit that
Yeah.
360 no scope?
Did you just say Fortnite?
Shut up! Shut up!
Sorry.
God.
Anyways,
Okay.
you got a 5?
Go fish.
Bro doesn't have a 5.
Shut up!
Sorry.
You're a loser!
Me?
Yeah, you!
Sorry.
Okay. Why are we playing this game? It's so butt. It's so boring. It's butt.
You wanna hop on Minecraft, is it?
I would love to hop on
So
Minecraft.
they just say Minecraft? Well, I'm actually drawing Minecraft. I'm drawing Steve.
That's so cheeks.
Really?
Did you put effort into that?
Yeah.
Well, it's terrible. Is that supposed to be Tung 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 Sore? Because it looks like Tung 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 Sabat.
What? Oh, it's. Well, I think it's cool. It's called art.
It's not. It's not cool.
Oh. Okay.
You know what else isn't cool? Your fit.
What's wrong with my fit?
None of the colors match. They don't match.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't even mean anything. It's called fashion. Stupid.
Yeah, well, clearly you know nothing about it.
Doesn't even matter.
It does matter. And your hat sucks too.
I don't even care. Stupid. Frickin' normies.
Hey Hank, check out your house when you get on.
Yeah, sure. What is it? You added that minecart interest I really wanted, didn't you?
I don't know, find out.
Okay, I will. I will find out. No! No, dude! Dude! Dude, why would you do that? That's not funny. Dude, stop laughing. It's not funny. I spent hours on that.
Bro, chill. It's just a prank.
It's not just a prank. You
can always rebuild.
You killed my dog. No, you keep doing this. No, I'm done.
What?
You keep messing with me and you keep pushing and I'm tired of it.
What are you talking about? What do you mean?
Don't come by my house.
What?
Don't call me.
What?
We're over.
Bro, wait, chill. It's just a prank, bro. Bro, chill. Wait, come back. Wait, come back. What? Come back. Wait, come back.
Tom.
Well, yeah, that was the story of how I lost my greatest friend.
I see. Tom, when was the last time you talked to Hank?
It's been about 10 or 15 years or so since that fateful day.
Okay. Well, I understand he had a huge influence in your life, but maybe it's time you move on.
Move on.
I mean, it's clear that you have many good things going on for you in your life right now, but you're so focused on Hank and 10 years ago. I mean, it's almost like you refuse to see your present right now because you're so focused on him. But that was 10 years ago, and eventually you need to do that. Well, that's all the time we have today. And before you leave, would you mind mopping the bathroom?
Coming up next, it's the Scooby Movie Marathon, followed by Rocky and Bullwinkle.
Are you tired of outdated time travel devices that don't work? Why not switch to the AMCHS 2? All new durability. It's fun for the whole family.
I'm in the Stone Age.
Yes, I'd like to order one AMCHS 2. Let's see what she got for us. Come on. Give me something good. All right. I'm coming, pal. Back. I made it. This is it. Oh.
Guys, wait up.
Hey, kid, you know where,
The cafeteria's that way, old man.
Oh, look, no, I'm looking for my nephew, you know Thomas, right? Tom?
Yeah, I didn't know he had a grandpa.
Uncle, Uncle Drew. Anyway, I need to get into his Minecraft server. If you could help me out with that.
I mean, yeah. Okay, I wasn't invited, okay?
Look, right. Why don't you meet me after school in my junior's closet? I'll.
Okay. It's kind of sus. I mean, I was planning on going skateboarding, but,
Look,
Oh.
100. I'll give you 200 later. You know, meet me there.
Oh, okay. I guess I will come meet you there.
Yeah. Right on, Rod. Well,
Yes. Later, old man.
Uncle.
Old man.
Oh, you came.
The money? It was 200. Thank you. Perfect.
Come on, hurry. On me. Here. Oh, look. You want to be part of the Minecraft server, and I need to be in that server. So let's help each other out, huh?
Why do you want to be in that server, old man?
Because, well, I'm future Tom.
Okay, what is that? Wait. Are you telling me you're from the future?
Yes, but look, enough about that. I need this. I need your help.
Okay, how the hecky are you from the future?
Look, I transported back through this little thing, and it transported back to this time period.
Whoa. So this little dude, wait, can I touch it? This little doohickey?
Hey, enough with that.
Okay, sorry. Yes.
I need your help. I can't interact with myself from the past, so I need you to help me.
Okay, how? What do you want me to do?
Like I said, I got a plan. All in the script. All in this little manuscript.
First.
You wanna get to him, you have to go through me. Punk. You guys are somebody else's porn.
Come on.
Sir, where are you taking me?
We need to fix whatever this is.
This? My fashion, my drip, my
Your
swag?
drip has never been dripping. Come on, David.
Says you.
Says me. Do you see? I'm fitted, and I'm still a janitor. I'm a janitor.
Okay, well, is this not fitted too?
No, it never has been. It never will be. Look, where'd you even get this hat? How did you get this hat?
It's from Liverpool, bruv. It's not drip.
No.
Oh.
The fact that you're asking me that means you have no drip. Get it in there. Get.
Okay.
Oh, you.
Yeah, good one, David.
David, say you couldn't make it, man.
Yeah.
Well, thanks to you, we kind of started the whole Minecraft thing, so we thought you should be there.
Yeah, I'm sure that would have been fun. Okay, well, anyways, guys, I think I need to rest my voice, so I'll call you guys later, okay?
Okay.
What now?
Look, I have the plan. I still know where the base is, so I'll take over here.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, what's up? Gamer boys and gamer girls.
Come on.
It's me, H Danger, and T Dizzle, and back there we got J Bubble Fart.
How much time we have left?
Oh no, this is not looking good.
Don't worry about it.
T Dizzle, yeah, he got a surprise for me, a present. You right back there, J Bubble Fart.
I got it.
Anyways, and I'm gonna look for that present. Okay. It's in the chest. In the chest right here. And oh.
One verse down here. I'm done.
Did we do it?
They did.
Remember to like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell. Give him a little ring. Oh wait, I forgot to show you the chest. It's Sea Pickles. J Bubble Fart, where you going?
Yes. Oh. Yes.
Is it still recording?
I think so.